So just finished watching the lecture series, and essentially, some major takeaways that I find that are like very pertinent. I guess I'll like touch on two. So the first one is the identifying like what value your product provides. And honestly, that's something that's kind of odd for us because we're definitely on the B2B side. When it comes to our product now, we've pivoted away from sentiment analysis, or at least away from our original like field of sentiment analysis towards using it for more for stock info versus terrorism. And because of that, the value we would be providing is essentially big data information. So we're kind of like the bad guys. Actually, not really. I mean, we're compiling the information, we're identifying trends, and yeah, this is a tool for essentially hedge funds and like major investors. So that's the kind of value we provide. We save them time so that they don't have to come out with the info themselves. We actually do it with our algorithm. So that's also something we have to make sure is secure and not stolen because, as the guest lecturer said 2 weeks back, nothing is safe online. And the second thing I found really useful and a key takeaway that could be applied for our group is the emphasis on prototyping. So prototyping for us is going to be something very hard just because, one, the algorithm is going to be very hard to make up in general. And then two, how do we test that? Because there are only so many like outlets of information that are free that we can use. We did have a contact from the Google guy who said that he could hook us up with some ad network sources of big data that we could test the algorithm on and test special cases and see if it works. Also, another thing is we're going to have to prototype and test how we want to display this. Do we want there to be any UI, or is this just going to be raw data like numbers in an Excel sheet? So that's going to be all things that we're going to need to prototype, and I honestly think that's going to be the biggest component of our project, just seeing how everything is going to work and testing it because it's such a high level thing.